Need some extra cash? Try making money online. The stress of a day-to-day job out in the real world can make you crazy. Perhaps you have been wondering about ways to make money through the online world. If you are hoping to supplement your income, or trade your work income for an income online, keep watching this video to learn more. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Write for revenue sharing sites like InfoBarrel or Squidoo. Both sites place ads on your site and split the revenue with you. They also have affiliate opportunities with Amazon, making it potentially even more lucrative. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. As you can see, there are many ways to approach the world of online income. With various streams of income available, you are sure to find one, or two, that can help you with your income needs. Take this information to heart, put it to use and build your own online success story. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.